So the other day I was just chilling on the train on the way back from some studio sessions. I thought I'd just post a little questions poll on my Instagram broadcast channel. You know, just answer some questions, give some sauce away. And this guy called Ronnie pops up. I dropped an album. I'd love if you can take a listen. And I can't lie, man, I just thought it was one of those standard posts where people are just spamming their music. Check out my music, go stream my music. But I had some time, so I thought, fuck it, let me just go and take a listen. I can't lie, man, this kid was really good.
As soon as we walk in the room, eyes get stuck on you.
But the sad thing is, man, he's not getting any streams. Check his Spotify, and basically every song is sub 1,000 streams, which is a shame, man, because he's actually got a real nice voice. So it got me thinking, maybe I can help him out with this. So in this video, that's what I'm gonna try and do, man. I'm gonna try and hit the guy up, see if he's down to make a song together. I'll produce it for him. We'll drop it together and see what the streams do, man. I'm gonna give Ronnie a call first, see what kind of beats he's working with, because I've had so many sessions where I'll find an artist, do my research, make some beats that I think they like, only for them to show up and then not even like any of the beats that we've made. So yeah, let me call Ronnie first, see what he's working on.
Yo, you right?
Yo, what's good, man?
Not much. I'm at uni right now. Yeah, just a chance to like, bang out music, revise.
Yeah. I don't know how you do uni, man. I did it for like 4 years. I was so happy to leave that place, but I was just like, oh, no.
Well, it's better than A-levels, isn't it?
Oh yeah, definitely. A lifestyle is definitely better. Like, what was the thing that made you start doing music?
Started singing at 5. My music teacher's like, oh, you can sing, encouraged me to do it. Then skip a few years, I've done grading, I'm getting bored, I'm almost losing interest in music. And then I had one music teacher who was like, I'm putting my students in a band and stuff. We were doing covers, but then I was like, you know what, I'm bored of this, so let's just write a song. I made my first song, which was, his first song, so it was alright.
Yeah.
And then yeah, that's where I started. Then I just started collaborating with people online. That's my favorite part. Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of vibe are you like working on at the minute? Is it more like Afro-y stuff?
I work best on some like Afro reggae songs or reggaeton songs.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Can make some like kind of Amapiano, Afro-y kind of style. And yeah, just go from there, man.
Sounds great.
All right, bro. Take care, man.
See you later.
All right, so we'll just pull a starter in, get some nice inspiration, and then we'll build around that. Yeah, this is a real nice basis. I think like as a nice top melody, we can add some like jazzy saxophone. Straight away. We've got a nice beat right there. I'm gonna make one more, and I'm just gonna make this one as simple as possible, just to see if he chooses the one that's got like tons of space, or one that I spent tons of time on tweaking little sounds here and there. My gut's gonna tell me he's gonna go for a simple one, because that tends to be the case. So we'll go got some chords, start with that, then we'll go with some drums. Yeah, something like that, just on top, put more energy. Maybe something like that. Yeah, that's even better, that's it. Do you know what, I think he's gonna go for this beat. Yeah, okay man, we got some beats right there. I'm gonna shoot these off to Ronnie, man, see what he can do. Yeah, I'm guessing to see what he can do, man.
Okay, beats just come in. Such a nice beat. The drop was so clean. It's gonna be a tough one to decide. Let's see the next one. We just went straight in. Okay, I've chosen the song. That was the second beat. What kind of happens now is I'll just listen to it a few times, try hum and find the melody, and then from there find the words. So let's get started. I found the melody, I started writing the lyrics, and how I do that is basically when I'm singing the melody, I would sort of find like the syllables and like mainly like the vowels. Yeah, just gonna get into that. I've been waiting my whole life just to meet you. Every day I get the chance that I see you. Every day I've been wishing when nobody else believed. They used to say that I was crazy. They said I won't last, but I discipline my mind. Let out the hate, so I stay being kind. Vocals are all done, and yeah, just to give you some info what the song is about. When it says, I've been waiting my whole life to meet you, you is referring to myself in the future, and just the struggle of how it is to chase your goals and reach your full potential. And so yeah, that's just basically what the song is about. Hopefully he likes the vocals.
told me to fly high, but alright, the vocals come in. Shout out to my guy Ronnie, he literally turned those vocals around within a day. Yeah, the vocals are sounding crazy. I'm gonna jump back into the beat and just add some of my own touches to it, add some post-production. Start off melodically with some chords, just randomize those.
Waiting my whole life just to meet.
Some bass notes.
Waiting my whole life just to meet you. Every day I break the chance I
Back up
could
on this
see
section.
you. Every day I've been wishing when nobody else believed. They used to say that I
And then we'll put a little top
crazy.
melody.
Waiting my whole life just to meet you. Every day I break the chance I could see you. Every day I've been wishing when nobody else believed.
Yeah, then let's just switch the sound into something a bit more ambient. Add some halftime to it, pitch back up.
Make up your mind, make up your mind. Said you're with me,
let's
so
get a
I
drum
hope
bounce.
you don't lie. Well, I stuck by my words, they may have had no worth.
Bumped, bumped. Fucking FL, man. So I had this sick idea. There's a part where he starts like kind of humming. Oh no, so he says humble at the end.
I was humble.
I'm thinking of doing like a hum, like a hummed bass, almost like Lion King. Hum. Nope. Another one. Hum. And then we'll just pitch these down.
I was humble, humble. I did struggle.
Yeah, something like that. Oh yeah, I'll bring that melody back in actually. That melody's beautiful.
They said I won't last, but I disciplined my mind. Let out the hate, so I stay being kind. I've scored most of them, and then you
So
said no
crazy.
thanks. Then you come and tell me that I've changed who I am. Changed who I am. I'm still the same man, still the same goals.
Bro, this is getting crazy.
Offered you my hand, and you said no thanks. Then you come and tell me that I've changed who I am. Changed who I am. I'm still the same man, still the same goals. I've scored most of them like I'm your kind, I'm cold. Gonna get what I want, I desire. Gonna get what I want, I desire.
Oh my days, that's a masterpiece right there. I just need to get this mix, get the whole thing mastered, man. I think we got a song right there, man. Let me send this over to Ronnie. Hopefully he likes it, and yeah, drop it.
Hi everyone. The final version of the song has just arrived. Before I get into it, I just want to say I'm very grateful for this opportunity. Yeah, shout out to prodllb for giving me the chance to make a banger with him. Yeah, let's get into it.
I've been waiting my whole life just to meet you. Every day I break the chance I could see you. Every day I've been wishing when nobody else believed. They used to say that I was crazy. Well, I stuck by my words, they may have had no worth. They told me to fly high, but I was down to earth. They said I won't last, but I disciplined my mind. Let out the hate, so I stayed being kind. Said I had no future, now I leave that behind. Leave that behind, just make up your mind. Make up your mind. Said you're with me, so I hope you don't lie. If you leave me, then I swear I won't cry. Cause I've been through too much in my life.
Yeah, I don't even know what to say. I'm just really happy. Just thank you very much. Hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making it.
Massive shout out to Ronnie for just making an absolute vibe. The song is out now on Spotify. It's called Meet You by myself and Ronnie. Everywhere else it should be available, like Apple Music, Tidal and whatnot. Honestly, it was an absolute joy just to make this whole project, make it into a real nice, feel-good song, inspiring kind of song too. But yeah, go show some support for my guy Ronnie, and obviously support your boy too. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then be sure to check out this video right here. I linked up with the craziest female singer. We made an absolute banger, totally different to this style as well, and I think you'll really enjoy it too. Yeah, that's going to be it from me, people. Love you guys. Peace.
I also just have to say that the stuff that these big music YouTubers are doing, obviously LB, Kyle, Savida, Ocean, Talenti, you name it, they really help out the music community, and yeah, I'm just so grateful for them. Watch all their videos literally every day, and I wouldn't have gotten here without them. So big shout out to them. And yeah, that's all I have to say. So hope you guys like it.